Hey guys, so today we're going to be doing a Y8 manifold swap. It's going to be for a D16y7 getting a D16y8 manifold. There's a few different ways you can do this, but the easiest way is just to use your Y7 throttle body, since your IACV valve on the bottom is different than what the Y8 has. If you swap this over, you're not going to have to worry about extending any wires, but you will have to extend two hoses. Other than that, the Y8 manifold has the IAC on the back. You can either just do a block off plate. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to leave it on the back like this. I'm just going to get some plugs for the bottom vacuum lines. Once you got that all sorted out, you will have to change this pawl or the cable cam. You need it so you can thread the cable underneath it, since it will be going a different route. So some do have to use the Y8 pawl, and you'll have to swap it over onto this. Slam this into here, and you can start wiring it up. You will have to extend the coolant line from underneath down here, as well as the vacuum line. You will need about 2 feet for that. Once you get that all sorted, it's pretty much just plug and play and you should be good to go. This will work on your factory ECU, and it depends on what head you're using. I have a Y8 head, I'm doing a MiniMe, so my intake manifold gasket's going to be for a Y8. If it's a Y7 head, you should use a Y7 intake manifold gasket. But pretty straightforward, nice easy swap. Everything else you just plug in, just need to rewire everything and should be good to go.